5 Best Car Refrigerator. Here is the product number 5. Small 12 volts car refrigerator. Features: 6 liters large capacity design, low energy consumption and rapid cooling, keeping food fresh, long-term use, low energy consumption, storage of meat, vegetables, skin care, cosmetics, medicines, drinks, etc. Content reference: 6 bottles of 330 ml cola, and 4 bottles of 550 ml bottled water. Here is the product number 4. 12 volts travel portable box freezer for car. Features: designed for refrigerating or keeping food warm. A portable capacity of 6 liters. Can also be used to keep beverages warm. Easy to carry with. Applications: storage of drinks and food for journey, picnic, camping, yacht. 100% brand new. Door opens up. Main color, white dot installation, freestanding. Here is the product number 3. 12 liters auto refrigerator. Features: small size, large capacity. 12 liters large capacity meet the demand of you go out to drink. Cold storage. 2-in-1 cooler and warmer. Refrigerated fresh in summer, warm food in winter. Cold effect, cooling 10-20 degrees Celsius below ambient temperature. Fitted with portable handle for easy transportation. Here is the product number 2. 7.5 liters mini portable car refrigerator. Name: portable car refrigerator. Power: cold mode, 4868W, hot mode, 3055W. Cooling temperature, 15-25 degrees. See below room temperature. Heating temperature, 55-65 degrees. See, error range, 5 degrees Celsius. Material, ABS. Here is the product number 1. 19 liters car refrigerator freeze. Features: with the adjustable strap, easy to carry. Made of high-quality PP material, portable and durable. Large capacity up to 19 liters, can hold medicine, drink, food etc. Suitable for home, car, picnic, camping, barbecue and other outdoor activities. Uses: milk, fruit, beverage, water, food, wine, etc.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.